A pleasant day to you, Ma'am and Sir. My name is Annalisa Santa Ana from San Juan, San Luis, Pampanga. I was born on February 15, 1988. I am a 37 years old at this time. I am a widow and I have two children. She is a 16 years old and a one boy 10 years old. I finished a fourth year high school. I worked in Saudi Arabia in 7 years in one employer. I start my work starting March 2018 until April 2025. I served in one couple and 4 children, ages 10, 7, 4, and a newborn baby. Ma'am and Sir, my main duties and responsibilities, especially cook, clean the house, iron, clean clothes, and if I finish my work, I care the baby. And I'm willing to teach how to read and writing in English. I want to work in Hong Kong to my dream and to my family. As well, I promise to you, Ma'am and Sir, I finish my contract and I will do my best. Ma'am and Sir, thank you and God bless.